In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for home fitness equipment topics fast and easy. Google Trends can be a powerful tool, helping you keep your finger on the pulse of popular trends, which is especially important in the ever-evolving world of home fitness equipment. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to get to Google Trends. Open up your web browser and type Google Trends into your search bar. Typically, you should find it as the first result. Click on it, and you'll be taken straight to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Explore and give it a click. This will allow you to start investigating the trends relevant to your interests. Before conducting your search, it's essential to brainstorm some equipment keywords. Think about popular home fitness items or related topics that people might be interested in, such as treadmills, dumbbells, resistance bands, exercise bikes, and yoga mats. Having a list of keywords will help guide your search and allow you to explore a range of pertinent topics. With your list in hand, choose a keyword and type it into the search bar at the top of the page. Once you input your term, check out the Interest Over Time chart to see the general popularity of the term. This is where you'll determine if interest is on the rise, holding steady, or declining, which can inform your decision on content creation or product selection. When you're ready, press Enter to view the detailed trend graph. This will give you a visual representation of how the interest in your chosen keyword has changed over a given period. Next, you'll want to make use of the Filter section. At the top of the page, you will find options to filter by location and time. You can select your country for location-specific insights or leave it as worldwide. For time range, you might want to choose past 12 months if you're interested in recent demand, or past 5 years, past 5 years for spotting long-term trends. Scrolling a bit further down the page, you'll come across sections for related topics and related queries. These sections present you with associated products or new fitness trends and reveal rising searches like best resistance bands for beginners. These can provide inspiration for new content ideas or innovative marketing angles. If you're interested in comparing different fitness products, use the plus compare function to add more equipment terms, allowing you to see which products are gaining the most attention. Finally, take your time to analyze all the information presented. By interpreting these results carefully, you'll be able to make informed decisions that can give you a competitive edge in the fitness market. And there you have it. A quick and effective method for utilizing Google Trends for your home fitness equipment topics. By mastering this simple tool, you'll be able to stay on top of the latest trends and keep your content or product offerings relevant and in demand.